Can the food you eat really influence your brain, mood, and emotional balance? The answer is yes. Welcome to Purely Healthy Food. In today's video, we'll explore functional foods, nutrient-rich foods that go beyond basic nutrition and actively support cognitive performance and emotional well-being. Functional foods are those that provide additional health benefits beyond calories and nutrition. They are packed with bioactive compounds, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that target specific body functions, like improving brain activity, boosting memory, and even stabilizing mood. Let's begin with one of the most celebrated brain boosters, fatty fish. Varieties like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are swimming in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA. Think of DHA as the primary building block for your brain. About 60% of your brain is made of fat, and a large portion of that is DHA. It's essential for creating and maintaining the very structure of your brain cells and nervous system. When you consume these healthy fats, you're providing the raw materials for faster, clearer communication between neurons. This translates directly into better memory formation, enhanced learning capabilities, and sharper focus. But the benefits don't stop at cognition. Omega-3s are also powerful anti-inflammatories, helping to protect the brain from cellular damage and supporting mood regulation. For optimal benefits, aim for at least 2 servings a week. Next up are nature's tiny jewels, blueberries. These berries are packed with powerful antioxidants called flavonoids, specifically a group known as anthocyanins, which give them their beautiful deep blue hue. Our brains are highly active and, as a result, are vulnerable to oxidative stress, a form of cellular damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. Antioxidants are our defense system. The anthocyanins in blueberries can cross the blood-brain barrier, accumulating in brain regions critical for learning and memory. There, they work to reduce inflammation and improve communication between brain cells. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can effectively delay brain aging and help preserve memory function as we get older. Whether you enjoy them fresh or frozen, adding a cup to your daily oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie is a delicious way to shield your brain. Now, let's turn to the power of green. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and even cruciferous vegetables like broccoli are nutritional titans for cognitive health. They are loaded with brain-essential nutrients like vitamin K, folate, and lutein. Vitamin K is vital for forming sphingolipids, a specific type of fat that is densely packed into our brain cell membranes, ensuring their structural integrity. Folate, a B vitamin, plays a crucial role in brain chemistry. It helps regulate mood by contributing to the synthesis of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, and it also helps keep levels of an amino acid called homocysteine in check, as high levels are linked to cognitive decline. Research from the Mind Diet study consistently shows that people who eat at least 1 serving of leafy greens per day have a significantly slower rate of cognitive decline. So, blend them into a smoothie, build a vibrant salad, or wilt them into your favorite pasta dish. For a convenient and powerful brain-boosting snack, look no further than nuts and seeds. Walnuts, in particular, are superstars. It's no coincidence they look like tiny brains. They are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3s in the form of ALA. Your body can convert this into the same DHA we find in fish, making them a fantastic alternative. Nuts and seeds are also rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that resides in cell membranes and protects them from oxidative damage. A handful of walnuts, almonds, or a sprinkle of flax seeds and chia seeds also provides essential minerals like zinc and magnesium, which are critical for nerve signaling and memory processes. They offer the perfect combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, helping to reduce brain inflammation and provide sustained energy for your mind. Fueling your brain isn't just about specific nutrients, it's also about the quality of your energy source. Your brain is an energy guzzler, and its preferred fuel is glucose. However, the source of that glucose matters immensely. Refined carbohydrates like white bread and sugary snacks cause a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash that leaves you feeling foggy, irritable, and unable to concentrate. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are different. As complex carbohydrates, they have a low glycemic index, meaning they break down slowly. This provides a steady, controlled release of glucose into your bloodstream, giving your brain the consistent fuel it needs for sustained focus, mental clarity, and stable mood throughout the day. Starting your day with oatmeal or swapping white rice for quinoa is a simple change that can make a world of difference to your productivity and mental endurance. Incorporating these functional foods into your diet isn't about perfection. It's about creating a pattern of nourishment. It's the synergy of these ingredients: the omega-3s from fish, the antioxidants from berries, the vitamins from greens, and the steady energy from whole grains that builds a resilient, high-performing brain. Each meal is an opportunity to invest in your cognitive future. By making these small, consistent choices, you're not just sharpening your focus and improving your memory for today. You are actively building a protective shield for your brain, lowering your long-term risk of neurodegenerative diseases and paving the way for a lifetime of mental vitality. Have you ever considered that the path to a happier, more balanced mind might run directly through your kitchen? The food we eat does more than just fuel our bodies. It builds the very neurochemicals that govern our moods, thoughts, and feelings. This is the power of functional foods. Let's explore some of the most potent, delicious, and accessible options you can add to your plate to actively cultivate emotional well-being, starting with a fan favorite. First up, dark chocolate. But not just any candy bar. We're talking about high-quality chocolate with 70% or more cocoa content. This richness is key because it's packed with flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that increase blood flow to the brain. This enhanced circulation can improve focus and lift your mood. Furthermore, dark chocolate contains compounds that trigger the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, and it's a source of tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin. For the best results, enjoy a small square or two as a mindful treat. This isn't about indulgence, but a deliberate act of self-care. Next, let's journey into the world of fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi. The secret here lies in probiotics, the beneficial live bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. Your gut is often called the second brain for a reason. It's home to trillions of microbes that produce over 90% of your body's serotonin, the key happiness neurotransmitter. A healthy gut flora directly communicates with your brain via the gut-brain axis, influencing your mood and resilience to stress. To incorporate these, try starting your day with a low-sugar yogurt or a kefir smoothie. Add a side of kimchi or sauerkraut to your lunch for a savory, gut-friendly boost. Now for a powerful duo: bananas and avocados. Bananas are a fantastic source of vitamin B6, which is essential for creating key neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. They also provide prebiotic fiber, which acts as food for the healthy probiotic bacteria in your gut, supporting the very foundation of the gut-brain axis. Avocados, on the other hand, are loaded with magnesium, often called nature's relaxation mineral. Magnesium plays a crucial role in regulating the body's stress response system. They are also rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which are vital for optimal brain structure and function. Adding half an avocado to your salad or blending a banana into your morning oatmeal are simple, effective ways to support a calmer state of mind. If you're looking for calm focus, look no further than green tea. Its magic comes from a unique amino acid called L-theanine. L-theanine has the remarkable ability to increase alpha brainwaves, which are associated with a state of wakeful relaxation, the kind you experience during meditation. It works in synergy with the natural caffeine in green tea to provide a smooth, stable energy without the jitters or crash often associated with coffee. The ritual of preparing and sipping a warm cup of tea can also be a powerful mindfulness practice in itself, helping to soothe an anxious mind and center your thoughts. Finally, let's talk about the golden spice, turmeric. The active compound, curcumin, is a powerhouse anti-inflammatory. This is critical for mental health, as chronic, low-grade inflammation is now strongly linked to the development of depression. Curcumin can help modulate the levels of serotonin and dopamine, and has been shown in studies to be effective in easing depression symptoms. However, curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own. The secret is to always pair it with a pinch of black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that can boost absorption by up to 2,000%. Try making a soothing golden milk latte, or simply add this spice duo to soups, roasted vegetables, and scrambles. As you can see, your gut and brain are in constant conversation through the gut-brain axis. The foods we've discussed aren't magic bullets, but rather powerful tools. By consistently nourishing your gut and providing your brain with the building blocks it needs, you are actively participating in your own mental and emotional health. It's a delicious and empowering way to support your journey toward a more balanced and joyful life. Breakfast, oatmeal with blueberries, chia seeds, and almond milk. Lunch, quinoa salad with spinach, avocado, and grilled salmon. Snack, a piece of dark chocolate or a handful of walnuts. Dinner, brown rice with turmeric-spiced vegetables and yogurt on the side. Drinks, green tea or herbal teas for calmness. As we've journeyed through this video, we've uncovered a profound truth. The food on your plate is so much more than just fuel. It's a powerful and direct line of communication to your brain, capable of shaping your thoughts, regulating your emotions, and defining your overall sense of happiness. This incredible connection, the gut-brain axis, means that every single bite is an opportunity to nourish not just your physical self, but your mental and emotional well-being too. We've seen how antioxidants in berries protect our brain cells, how omega-3s in fatty fish build stronger neural pathways, and how probiotics in fermented foods cultivate a healthy gut that directly boosts our mood. Think of this not as a restrictive diet, but as a long-term investment in your future self. Every time you choose a whole, functional food over a processed, empty one, you're depositing a small piece of capital into your bank of well-being. This investment pays dividends in the form of a sharper mind, a more resilient spirit, and a calmer soul. It's the difference between a short-term sugar rush and long-term, sustainable energy and clarity. We know that starting a new path can feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be an overnight overhaul. The key is progress, not perfection. Start small. This week, maybe you can swap your usual afternoon snack for a handful of walnuts, or add a spoonful of sauerkraut to your dinner. These small, consistent steps are what build lasting habits and create monumental shifts over time. Imagine waking up feeling genuinely refreshed, navigating your day with sustained focus and less brain fog. Picture yourself handling stressful situations with a greater sense of calm and control. This isn't a far-off dream. It's the tangible result of consciously choosing to nourish your brain. You are the architect of your own well-being, and your fork is one of your most powerful tools. We'd love for you to be part of this ongoing conversation. What's one functional food from this video that you're excited to incorporate into your meals? Share your plans and ideas in the comments below. Let's inspire each other on this journey. If you found this journey into the world of brain-boosting foods helpful, please give this video a like to let us know you want more content like this. Share it with friends and family who might benefit from this knowledge. And most importantly, subscribe to Purely Healthy Food and hit the notification bell. That way, you won't miss our next video, where we'll be diving deep into the science of sleep and nutrition. Remember, your health is in your hands. Choose wisely, eat beautifully, and be well.